Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Lab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 10 of recently launched Excel 2022 course. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Focusing on XP22 Excel chapter 10 cumulative assessment movie rental. Okay, let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Here is assignment title and here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes and complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Both are shows on my PC screen and given a description. Step number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name. Basically in this step we will have to download Excel workbook from my IT Lab dashboard, Pearson my IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded it from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. Okay, question number 1 is completed now. Now moving on question number 2. Question number 2 is that use get and transform data Power Query editor to load the file E10 C2 movies text to the existing worksheet starting in cell A1. Load the information to the worksheet and select add this data to the data model. Go to Excel workbook, go to data tab, click on data tab and new query. From file, from text file, load that, delete this, sorry, new query, go to from file, okay, from text file and desktop. I have saved this XP22 Excel chapter 10 cumulative, okay, E210 movies. Import this file, load this table. Okay, now table design. Okay, select this table and then go to query and then load to add this data to the data table. Load this data table. Okay, continue. Then it will be loaded. I have done this question. You can see here I have done question number 2. Question number 2 is completed now. I have done 2 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 3. Question number 3 is that rename the worksheet movies. Basically in this step we will have to rename the worksheet as movies. Okay, right click on worksheet, sheet number 2 and rename as movies. Okay, sheet 1 and sheet 2 is movies. Delete this. Okay, question, I have done 3 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 4. Question number 4 is that use get and transform data Power Query editor to load the account table from the XML file E10 to contact XML into new worksheet. Okay, go to data tab, go to new query, from file, from XML file E10 contacts, import this file, then account, then load this. Okay, then account, then load this. Okay, then close and load. It's done. Query, then load to add this data to the data model. Load, then continue. Then okay, I have done this question. You can see I have done 4 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 5. Question number 5 is that rename the worksheet contacts. Basically in this step we will have to rename this worksheet. Right click on this and rename as a contacts. Okay, this question is completed now. I have done 5 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 6. Question number 6 is that use get and transform data Power Query data to load the rental table from the file E10 rentals XLS into new worksheet. Load the information on new worksheet and then select add this data to the data model. Basically we will have to load the Rates from the file E10 to rentals. Okay, click on data tab. Okay, new query, then file Excel workbook E2 E10 C2 rates. Okay, import this file. Okay, then click on E2 rates. Okay, rates. Then load this table. Okay, and then power. Okay, add to data model. Then enable contact. Okay, you can see I have done this question. I have done 6 question of this assignment. Now moving on question number 7 is that rename the worksheet as rates. Right click on this sheets and rename is rates. Okay, I have done this question. Okay, you can see I have done 7 question of this assignment. Now moving on question number 8. Question number 8 is that use get and transform data query data to load the stored form table located in the database E2 and transform transaction ABCD into new worksheet. Okay, go to Excel workbook and then click on data tab. Then click on data tab and then from database from Microsoft. Okay, to transformation transaction into transaction ABCD. Okay, then it's load. Then go to query and then load to add this data to data model. Okay, sorry. Go to pivot, add data models. Okay, I have done this question. You can see here I have done 8 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 9. Question number 9 is that rename the worksheet as a stored info. Basically, this we will have to rename this sheet. Right click on this and rename as stored info. Okay, I have done 9 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 10. Use get and transform data from reader to the load transaction. Okay, locate to the database E2 transaction ABCD and the Power Query editor. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. You can read this instruction and then apply on Excel workbook. You can see I have done 10 questions of this assignment and total question of this assignment is 16. For remaining question or you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and both are shows on my screen. I will provide you A+ grade in your assignment, exam, quizzes and complete course. I can do all courses Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, Accounting, Finance, Math and many more. I will provide you A+ grade. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and shows on my screen. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of